Namaskar. From past 2 to 3 days, we are seeing some political drama going on between Congress UP and Yogi Adityanath Sarkar. So what you can see that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who has got an important position in Uttar Pradesh, is telling that she told some 1,000 buses she has sent to take the migrant from there and from UP, the migrant laborers who are stuck in UP. She has sent 1,000 buses, and these buses will enter Uttar Pradesh, and they will take the migrant laborers, and migrant laborers will be sent to the location. Now, as per Mrs. Vadra, the Yogi Adityanath government of Uttar Pradesh is not allowing the buses to enter and take the migrant laborers. So after this, what happened? This has become a matter of political escalation, which we have seen yesterday when the Yogi Adityanath, the UP government, told the Congress party to give the details of the bus number, bus driver's name, and the conductor name, and they want to verify the details of that 1,000 buses which they have sent. So it has found that out of 1,000 buses, there are lots of numbers which are of two-wheelers, three-wheelers, then auto rickshaw, then the goods carrier, etc. That means out of 1,000 buses, there are lots of numbers. The list that they have sent, the Congress have the list that Congress party has sent to Yogi Adityanath Sarkar, which contain out of 1,000 there are number plates. You can say number of plates. Number plates are only showing they are not buses. They are for two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and etc. Good carriers and all. So by hearing this such a thing, the Congress party already got anger and said that if the Yogi Adityanath Sarkar wants, they can physically verify the 1,000 buses they have sent. They are standing there outside the border. Even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said that the Yogi Adityanath Sarkar has crossed all his limit. Now there is no point talking about politics. Rather, they want to take the migrant laborers to their destination with the help of buses. Now, when the investigation found that the buses, there are a number of buses which have got fake numbers and of three-wheelers and two-wheelers, then FIR has been registered, police complaint has been registered against the Mrs. Vadra's secretary and UP Congress chief for giving wrong details to the Uttar Pradesh Sarkar. So now this political this has become a political escalation, a political debate going on from past 2-3 days, and it has gone to a certain limit yesterday. Now the question is, why Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is so focused on Uttar Pradesh and sending buses, 1,000 buses to Uttar Pradesh? Why can't Priyanka Vadra send buses to Maharashtra, especially Mumbai, where lakhs of migrant workers are stuck? Why can't Priyanka Vadra send buses to West Bengal, where migrant laborers are stuck? And why can't she speak on the matter when some incident happened in Rajasthan with the migrant laborers? This point, they are using it. They are trying to use this migrant laborers for 2022 Uttar Pradesh State Assembly elections. Very simple. Love for migrant laborers, and if too much love is you can see there, this political parties has got some intention. Some opposition political parties, basically RJD, he is the guy of the RJD boss right now, wants to finance train. Send one political party from Bihar sending buses to Rajasthan. So some political parties of just focusing on non-BJP rule state, and they are sending buses, and they are telling they will sponsor train, etc. Just focusing on state assembly election. And I am telling you frankly, there are lots of accident happening on road. Every day we can see truck accident, bus accident. Then why the hell they are telling to this bus to take the migrant laborers? The central government is doing doing the best, and they have run trains every day. So lakhs and lakhs of migrant laborers are coming to Bihar and various parts of the India. But Mrs. Vadra is focusing on only on Uttar Pradesh, and her political her supporters are telling that these are she let's cooperate with Yogi Adityanath Sarkar and all. But this is it's nothing but politics. She will never say anything. She will not say a bus to Mumbai, where the Maharashtra number is so high in number. She will not say anything to any Congress ruled state. Rather, she will only focus on non-Congress ruled state. So, Mrs. Priyanka Vadra, Gandhi Vadra, there are some television channels also who are supporting your movement. One day I heard that a television channel posted a video, a picture, so giving a claim that there's 1,000 buses standing outside, but that was not of your bus. That is the picture of some previous different, they are pasting your picture here and there and saying that see the buses are standing outside and etc. So the Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should know what is the difference between an auto rickshaw, two-wheelers, and a bus which will carry migrant laborers and all this thing. And let the state government and the central government take the step. Why a political party is investing huge amount of money in the buses from where they get money? I don't understand. This is nothing but politics. They will say they are sending 1,000 buses. Migrant laborers will come in, gather together, and if some COVID happen, if the virus spread from that place, they will blame the central government or the state government for not able to control the virus. This is bad. This is bad. And Mrs. Priyanka Vadra, please stop your innocent appeal that if BJP want, BJP can put the BJP's banner on Bharatiya Janata Party's banner on the bus and release the bus. Don't stop them. So please, your PR team, your team is doing a very good politics. They have got this migrant laborers as their tool for 2022 elections and state elections and 2024 general election. So the love for migrant laborers are just political, and I don't know what will happen. But if more and more people gather together in that place and do this kind of activities, there is high chances of spreading the virus. And India has done a good job for stopping all this thing. So please don't politicize all this matter. So we need to see what happened next, because it is between a Congress and a Yogi Adityanath Sarkar, and Congress is focusing the agenda of bringing back the migrant. As simple. This is nothing but political. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment and share. Thank you very much.